Hi children, let's read all what is here. Spell and read. We are learning to spell, we are learning to read. Okay, fine. What's the first one? A-P-P-L-E, apple. Do you love apple? Yes. What is this? O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Juicy orange. P-E-A-C-H, peach. It comes winter time. Yes, peach. Here, banana. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. Good. M-A-N-G-O, mango. Good. W-A-T-E-R, water. M-E-L-O-N, watermelon. P-E-A-R, pear. P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E, pineapple. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. So we spelled and read everything. Apple, orange, peach, banana, mango, watermelon, pear, pineapple and grapes. What are all these, children? They are all what you love to eat. There is a common name for all this. What is that? Good. Fruits. Yes. The single name, one single word name is fruit. Apple, orange, peach, banana, mango, watermelon, pear, pineapple and grapes. All together, one single name is fruit. Spell fruit, F-R-U-I-T. Fruit. Good. So we found a single word for this group. What group is this? It's a names of all the fruits. Not all are there, but some fruit. F-R-U-I-T-S. So what are we doing today? Finding a single word for the group of words here. So you love all these fruits? You love to eat them? Good. So we found the group name. Shall we look at another set of words? Spell and read and find a single word for the group? Good. Here we are. Let's read. P-O-T-A-T-O, potato. Good. B-E-A-N-S, beans. O-N-I-O-N, onion. C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. P-E-A-S, peas. T-U-R-N-I-P, turnip. P-U-M-P-K-I-N, pumpkin. T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato. C-A-U-L-I-F-L-O-W-E-R, cauliflower. C-H-I-L-L-Y, chili. So what do we have now? Potato, read together. Potato, beans, onion, carrot, peas, turnip, pumpkin, tomato, cauliflower and chili. What are all this? That you eat at table for lunch and for dinner. What is the one single word group name for all this? Vegetable. Very good. These are some vegetables that you love to eat. Spell vegetable. Yes, V-E-G. E-T-A-B-L-E-S, vegetable. These are some of the vegetables that you eat. Single word group name is vegetables. So you learn to spell, you learn to read, and you learn to identify the single group word. Good. Shall we look at another? Did you enjoy the game? Good. Let's look at another and enjoy ourselves. Here we are. Let's spell and read. L-I-O-N, lion. E P-H-A-N-T, elephant. F-O-X, fox. G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe. W-O-L-F, wolf. C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E, crocodile. L-E-O-P-A-R-D, leopard. C-H-E-E-T-A-H, cheetah. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. H-I-P-P-O, hippo. Read it again with me. Lion, elephant, fox, giraffe, wolf, crocodile, leopard, cheetah, zebra, tiger, hippo. What are all these? Together, give me a single word, group name for this. Good, animals. What animals? Wild animals. All these are wild animals. Some of the wild animals. Good. W-I-L-D, wild. A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animal. All these are animals, wild animals that live in the forest. But if you want to see, we can also go to the zoo. Good. So you identified the group name. Let's look at another and enjoy reading and identify. Let's spell and read these words. C-O-W, cow. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. D-O-G, dog. Next line. H-O-R-S-E, horse. C-A-T, cat. G-O-A-T, goat. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. P-I-G, pig. B-U-F-F-A-L-O, buffalo. D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. Good. Cow. What does the cow give you? Milk. Yes. What about the sheep? He gives us wool. He gives us milk. Good. Dog. What does dog do? Guards your house. Horse. What does the horse do? He can pull a cart or take you for a ride. Cat. He lives in your house. He takes care of the house, keeps the rat away. Goat. What does the goat do? Gives us meat and milk too. Rabbit. Rabbits are kept in the house. He's there. They look so cute. Pig. Where do you find the pig? At the pigsty, and the piglets look very lovely. Buffaloes. What do the buffaloes give you? Buffaloes give us milk. And donkey. What does the donkey do? He helps the dhobi or anyone to carry load. Now look at all the animals and tell me a group name. Where do these animals live? In and around a house or in a farm? What is the name, group name for all these animals? Good. Domestic animals. Very good. The group name is domestic animal. They live in and around. They are so useful to us. They give us milk and they give us meat and they take care of the house. Good. D-O-M-E-S-T-I-C, domestic. A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animal. The group name for all these animals is domestic animal. Good. Did you enjoy doing this? Shall we look at another group of words? Good. Here we are. Look, let's spell and read. CROW, crow, curd. PIGEON, pigeon. HEN, hen. BULBUL, bulbul. MYNA, myna. PARROT, parrot. SPARROW, sparrow. PEACOCK, peacock. DUCK, duck. EAGLE, eagle. VULTURE, vulture. Look at them all. Crow, a little black bird that you find round the house. Pigeon, pigeon, oh lovely little bird that is near your house and it goes on making lovely noise. Hen, she gives us eggs. She takes care of a chick. Bulbul is another little bird you find round the house. Myna, another little brown and yellow bird, sometimes can talk. Parrot, green lovely bird with a red beak. Sparrow, tiny brown bird that keep hopping around your house. Peacock, the beautiful blue and lovely purple bird with a long tail. Duck that lives in the water and gives us egg. Eagle, a bird that flies very high. Vulture is also another bird that flies very high. What are all these children put together? Birds. Each of these, all the name put together, common name, single word, bird. They are all birds, big and small. Yes, bird, spelled bird, BIRDS, bird. These are all some of the birds. So you learn to spell and read. Good.